I know there are people going to be watching this and saying, "Oh, that can't be working." What would you say to them?
People love email and stuff like that. The direct mail is still king with stuff. When we break it down by how much a customer or average RO has gone, what have they purchased? A customer's been a great customer for years, or people have a certain amount that they exceed. Their direct mail is different than someone who has spent a smaller amount. But what we've noticed and what's changed is the amount of people getting the larger direct mail coupons is keep increasing because these people are spending that money. And it's one of those things. I mean, I think the greatest tool Jardine has taught me so far is you don't send out a campaign when you're slow. You send it out to prevent yourself from getting slow. And just by doing that simple thing, we haven't had slow. Slow hasn't happened for a year. And we have something now where, as bad as times have been, or whatever the case has been, at times we've been booked out a month out. And when people are waiting for a repair from an auto shop and they're willing to wait a month, it's volumes.